guys, please stop buying grocery store 7-layer dip. It's gross and it's disgusting, and you guys can do better. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to make super easy chip dip that you can make in probably like 5 minutes with all these ingredients, okay? First, you're going to want to use the refried beans. I prefer the black beans, but you can also use regular plain brown beans. You need 1 whole can for a small, probably 8 or 9 inch pan. If you want to do 9 by 13, then you need to double the recipe. Next, we put the guacamole. You can make your own or just buy it pre-made. Spread that on. Layer number 2. The third layer is going to be sour cream. You can also use Greek yogurt if you want. For the small size like this, you don't actually need the whole 16 ounces. Probably just need about half. And then you're going to want to add some taco seasoning. You definitely don't need to add the whole thing. Just add a little bit, taste it, see how you like it. Maybe about half. And then stir it up. Definitely taste it to see if it needs more sour cream or more seasoning, but that tastes fine.
I can't believe you know. You're unbelievable.
Well, that's the third layer. Okay, so for the fourth layer, I like to do the olives next. Sliced olives, definitely drain them. You don't want your chip dip all runny and mushy. Just a few, you don't need the whole can. And then next is going to be the tomatoes. I prefer Roma tomatoes, but you could use any tomatoes. Is cheese. If you want the 7-layer dip, you can add the green onions. At this point, I don't like green onions, so we just use this cheese. You can also shred your own cheese if you have that kind of time. But yeah, I'd rather just buy the Trader Joe's. The other packaged ones are not really that good. This is probably the best packaged ones you could get. Just sprinkle the cheese on there. And then your chip dip is done. Way better than the grocery store chip dip, people. And it tastes delicious. That's it. Enjoy. Super easy, guys. You can do it. How's a chip dip?
Great. I'm just telling you.
Yeah, say it again.
I'm just telling you.
Okay, say it again.
I was just trying to tell you.
It's for the video.
It tastes better with actual avocado instead of this like fake guacamole and fresh shredded cheese.
Yes, I did add that in the video. Thank you, Jasmine. But it's still bomb, isn't it?
Yeah, it's good.
Okay, this is my secondary snack tip if you want another snack. Cut up the pepper jack cheese with the Triscuits and these manzanilla olives. They are delicious, and these three things go together very well. Enjoy!